What if I told you that you can start losing weight fast without going to the gym, without running, and without exhausting workouts? This is not a shortcut or a miracle trick. It's science, habits, and small changes that most people completely ignore. If exercise feels impossible right now because of time, health, or motivation, listen carefully because this can change everything. First, let's clear one big misunderstanding. Weight loss does not begin in the gym. Exercise is great for health, strength, and mood. But fat loss is mainly controlled by what you eat and how your body responds to food. Many people exercise daily and still gain weight because their eating habits stay the same. If your goal is to lose weight fast without exercise, your focus must shift to food quality, not starvation. Ultra-processed foods are the biggest reason weight loss fails. Packaged snacks, sugary drinks, refined flour, and hidden oils spike insulin and increase hunger. When insulin stays high, your body cannot burn fat. Instead of eating less food, eat better food. Focus on protein-rich meals like eggs, chicken, fish, lentils, or yogurt. Add fiber from vegetables, fruits, and seeds. Include healthy fats like nuts, olive oil, or avocado. Protein is especially powerful because it keeps you full, reduces cravings, and protects muscle even if you are not exercising. One simple rule can change everything. If a food lasts for months on a shelf, it usually slows fat loss. Real food goes bad, and that's a good thing. Next, you must control insulin if you want your body to burn stored fat. Every time you eat sugar or refined carbs, insulin rises and fat burning shuts off. You don't need to completely remove carbs, but you must reduce sugar, white bread, white rice, sweets, and constant snacking. Stop eating something every 1 or 2 hours. Eat full, satisfying meals and give your body time to rest between them. This alone can unlock fat loss, even without exercise. Meal timing is another powerful but ignored factor. You don't need extreme fasting. Just stop eating late at night and give your body a 12 to 14-hour gap between dinner and breakfast. This allows insulin to drop and fat burning to begin naturally. Late-night eating is one of the biggest hidden reasons people struggle to lose weight. Fixing this habit alone can lead to visible results in a few weeks. Now, let's talk about sleep and stress, because many people ignore them completely. If you sleep less than 6 hours, your hunger hormones increase and your willpower drops. If you stay stressed all day, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that stores fat, especially around the belly. You can eat perfectly and still not lose weight if your body feels stressed. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep, reduce screen time at night, eat slowly, and chew your food properly. Weight loss happens faster when your body feels calm and safe. Many people ask how fast they can lose weight without exercise. Fast does not mean unhealthy. Fast means consistent and correct. When you reduce sugar, increase protein, control meal timing, and improve sleep, your body responds quickly. Many people notice changes within 7 to 14 days. The scale starts moving, clothes feel looser, and energy improves. Here is the truth most people won't tell you. Exercise helps speed up weight loss, but it is not required to start. If exercise feels hard right now, do not quit your journey. Fix your food, timing, sleep, and stress first. Once weight starts dropping, energy comes back and movement becomes easier and more natural. You don't need motivation, you need the right strategy. Start small, stay consistent, and remember this one line: fat loss begins in the kitchen, not the gym.